Because we listen now, roast breadfruit.
Yep.
Our roast common fowl egg.
Oh boy, I'm gonna eat them. Batman polish. I'm gonna light fire up.
You must say rain just done tearing them, man.
Brother, they man have the skill of light wet fire. It's not like one blood clot fire like good this around for him. I mean I use gas. You know me have to do for light it.
Right.
Cheap out a lot good and get a nickel piece. Enough lot good then to export from inside the island. Enough that could enough the Westmoreland for a longer time. Because you see down out. Because down with Jamus there now and Great House there now, enough people now. You know about Jamus there? Yeah. That one, then you got to use something of some sort.
Roast breadfruit and what?
Come on, go ahead.
Come on, fowl egg. Because you say anytime I do it, I want to catch you on camera. You ready right now? What you say, I gonna have it raw?
That is the common fall, raw. Right.
See that? Let me look in there see if it cook. See there, you know? The yolk that. Just like that. Oh God, the car more empty. Chase it with some red label.
Then I eat the next one, yes. If you didn't eat, then you're healthy.
Good roast breadfruit in the night upon the last beach. Wow. Jonathan would say, wow. How much longer?
Half an hour. No, 25 minutes.
25 minutes.
You let it roast properly.
Alright.
Yeah, we use the machine to put you on the bottom.
Time for your next round, you know.
Yeah.
Roast already. Oh boy!
Oh, didn't you know that? You.
James!
Pati na kunya mo.
You say it's ready?
2, 2, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 4. Kaya look pa niya mula na piso na may time. Ano na ba yata?